ನಾನು ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ PG programs. I have conducted examinations. And as soon as they write the examination, you press the button, you will get the results. This is also said. 50 lakh students let it be there. We can have 50 lakhs generated for subject.
ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಮುಗಿದ
Examination ಆದ ಕೂಡಲೇ you press the button, you will get your result. Not only getting the result, you will know what mistakes you have done, which is the correct answer. You have to do it. This is the suggestion I am giving.
Yes.
Okay? Now, the government, state government and central government, people, they have to come together. Now let them decide whether it will be possible or not. I am saying it is possible. With the technology available today, it is possible. I can show them also. Let them connect. Just like you, see, it is not possible, they will not do it. Now itself, if they take, they can bring it next year. There are different state people combining them. Just the central government, ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ state government ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ? You are not able to do it, then you give it to the states. Why do you waste your time like that? Okay? Possible with you, central government, give it to the state. And why waste? See, you know, today also, from the other states, ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಬರೋ ಹುಡುಗರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, ಹೌದಾ? Other states ಇಂದ. They have to write their examination, national level examination, here comment there, there will be clashing. Why all these things? Why? Physics, will it be different from here and there? Chemistry, will it be different from state to state? Will it not be same? Why do all the students giving very odd questions? If they can understand what is that particular equation, if they can understand, is it not sufficient? These things you have to look into. It is. ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದೇನೆಂದರೆ ತಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ, if all of you do it very seriously, yes, it is possible, we can show it.